Describe the relationship between the distance from the city center and the monthly rent. Now, going back to this graph, we have this kind of scatter diagram, okay? Now, or scatter graph, yeah. So we're told that let's pick maybe two arbitrary points to find out the kind of relationship that the distance has with the monthly rent. So for 0.9, you'd have 400 for 2430. So for 0.9 meters away from the city center, you have 430 pounds, okay? But for 3.4 kilometers away, you have 100. So as the monthly rent is increasing, okay, the distance from the center is reducing, okay? They have a negative relationship. Let's try this again. For an increased amount of monthly rent, let's say 430, you have a very small distance from the city center. But for a very large distance from the city center, for example 4, you have 110, 120, you have 120 monthly rent, which is very small rent, okay? So it just shows that they have a negative relationship, that as one is increasing, the other one is reducing. But if it were that as this one is increasing, this other one will be increasing too, we would say that both of them have a positive relationship. So that's how you relate two values in a scatter graph, okay? So we'll just write down that there is a negative relationship between the rent, the monthly rent, and the distance from the city center. Okay, so there's a negative relationship, okay?